Hi! In front of me is TCL 20L, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose advanced features and tap on one-handed mode. As you can see, there are two methods to use it. If you want to use one-handed mode from your tab menu, just go to it, find one-handed mode icon and tap on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. You can change placement of the screen by tapping on this icon with an arrow. And if you were to go back, just click on the blank area. But you can also use the second method. But firstly, you need to click on the switcher next to access one-handed mode using gesture. So now, if you want to use one-handed mode from the button of your device and you are right-handed, just swipe from home button to the right. If you want to do it with your left hand, do the same to the left. If you wish to go back, just click on the blank screen over here. You can also though scroll all the way down over here and pick one of the sizes of your shrink screen. I will go with that one, so now when I enter one-handed mode, I can see that my screen is a little bigger. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!